Somebody's laundry's getting wet. It's raining, and that's unusual. Let's see if I can get a shot of the water. Sure enough, there's water on our porch. I took the opportunity to clean off the porch a little bit. There's a soldier, gendarme, going to save us. No, he's going for a tea. He needs to get in there out of the rain. Oh, they locked him out. Hurry, find some tea. The embassy workers right across the street. Well, since it's raining, I decided to take the opportunity to clean off the porch because we have some droppings, because even 3 times a day isn't quite enough. And you see we have a dog door. Now, for the carpenters that are reading the blog, they'll be interested to know that it's not very easy to get your handiwork done yourself, but you can always find somebody willing to put in a door for you. This concept was a little interesting to them, and they came up with a pretty nice little design, all of their own. Of course, I gave them the dimensions, but little swing hinges. Of course, the dogs can't quite push them open, so they put in the door anyway, and it's pretty good. All of $60. Hey guys, yeah, I've got this balcony open. Come on, come here, Murph. You'll love it out here. Come on. No? Okay. So, while they're playing tug of war with a monkey, I'm out here, just kind of seeing how much dirt we can scoot off of the porch. Already done quite a job, but yeah, this is how dusty Cairo gets. I'm not here to paint any rosy pictures of it. I'm just sweeping it off down to the next balcony. There's a neighbor. It's a pretty nice looking pad over there. It's a pretty makeshift looking building. You have the option to paint your own balconies, really. And it's strange because they go from white to brown to unpainted to... There's an empty building. Come on, buddy. Come on. Get wet. No? Come on. Yeah. It's alright. It's rain. Murphy's not too familiar with the rain. Sounds like we're gonna start playing here. There we go. Air the place out a little bit.